Hi, this is Teacher Rose, and this is Section 2 about vowels. And this is one of the introductory videos, and it's an introduction to changes in one-beat words. There are 11 changes in one-beat words. One-beat words means one-syllable word, a one-syllable word with one vowel, usually in the middle. So you need to be able to cut the word into its sounds to spell. So the first sound is number 1, first. Number 2 is the middle sound. And number 3 is the last sound. So in change A, the first word, the number 1 word, is run. It has 3 sounds. R, A, N. When we look at number 2 word, we'll see that the first sound changed. R is gone, S is in. So now the word is S, A, N. The vowel, the middle, number 2 and number 3 are the same. The first sound changed. In B, in the B change, our first word, number 1 word is sun. S, A, N. When we look at the number 2 word, we see that the first sound is the same, S, but the vowel, the middle sound changed from A to U. And then the last sound is the same, sun to soon. Middle sound changes. In the C change, the first word, run, R, A, N, changes. In number 2 word, the last sound changes. We still have the first R, we have the vowel A, but now we have a G. N, the no sound N is gone and G is there. Rug, run to rug. Let's go to the D change, D. So for the D change, it's a little different. For the first word, we have 4 sounds. We have S, T, A, P. But you'll see in word number 2, the S sound, S, is gone. We dropped a sound. Now we only have 3 sounds. So 4 sounds down to 3 sounds. We still have a T, A, P, but that first S sound is gone. When we look at E change, it's kind of similar. So the first sound again has 4 sounds. The first word has 4 sounds. T, R, I, P. 4 sounds. But now the word number 2 only has 3 sounds. The R is gone. Drop. We dropped a sound. Now we have 3 sounds. T, I, P, tip. When we go to F, our first word, number 1 word, is seed. S, E, D. 3 sounds. Notice that the E vowel has 2 letters, 1 sound. E. Smile number 1. Big smile. E. But now the D sound is gone. And now we just have 2 sounds. We dropped the last sound. We dropped the last sound. And now we have a 2 sound word, S and E. When we go to the G sound, you'll see that the number 1 word is 3 sounds. T, ah, p, t, ah, p. But in the number 2 word, we added a sound because now we have 4 sounds. We had 3 sounds and now we have 4 sounds. We added a S and now we have S, T, A, P, top to stop. In H, we are going to add a sound again. So in number 1 word, we have T, I, P, tip. In number 2 word, we added a sound. We added the R sound. And now we have 4 sounds. T, R, I, P. Tip to trip. We add a sound. In I, we add a sound again. We add a sound at the end. So we start with 3 sounds. T, I, P. But then we add a sound at the end for the last sound. So in number 2 word, we now have 4 sounds. We have T, I, P, S, tips. Okay, the J change. We start with word, We start with word number 1, mop, m, a, p. And then the first sound changes from m to p. But then notice that the first sound and the last sound are the same. They repeat. So we have a p, a, p. We repeat the sound. And the K change for the word number 1, we have top. T, a, p. In the number 2 word, we have the same sounds, but now we have the p sound for the first sound. P. The a is the same, it's in the middle, but the t is the last sound. So we switched the sound. That's called a switch. So there's 11 changes in one beat, one vowel words. If it seems like, ooh, too much, it's okay. We will practice. Thank you for learning with Teacher Rose. Please join me to practice and learn with Training Video 1.